Hi everyone, my name is Anna. Welcome again to my channel and to another video where today I will talk about my experience using the Nala Money application that I use to send money abroad. So let's get started. Nala is the mobile application that lets you send money to Africa. If you either live in Europe or the United States of America, you can go and have a look at their website and get all the necessary information that you will need before registering with them. And for that, I will leave a link in the description box for you to go and have a look. So my journey with Nala started at the beginning of this year. I was using World Remit before I started using Nala. Something happened while I was using the other application that made me look for other ways to send money back home. I found Remitly first, but the rates compared to other applications was very low. Then one of my best friend recommended this application to me. And I can say that the registration process was very easy. You will need to do a few verification, if I can remember, and then after you are verified, you'll be all set to start using the application. With the application that I was using before, there was like a lot of information that is needed of the person you will be sending money to, but with Nala you only need their names, mobile number, and you can even select it from the contacts that you have already in your phone. And you do not need to ask if the person's number is M-Pesa, Airtel, Tigo Pesa, or Voda Pesa, because the application already detects if the number is either one of them. I send internationally to Tanzania. This is where my family is and where I'm originally from, but this is also applied to any other networks from Uganda, Kenya, or Rwanda, Nigeria, and any other African country which is mentioned on the app that is accepted to use the service. The transaction is always smooth and safe, as I have never encountered any problems while sending the money compared to other applications that I was using before. I have never had to use the customer service. Like I said, I never had problems with them, but they do have customer service where the waiting time is usually is less than 5 minutes. So to me, like, that's the good thing. You don't have to like wait for so much long time. And another good thing about this application is that while sending the money, they let you compare their rates with other applications, so it's up to you to decide which one to use, but I can guarantee you that they always have the best rates. So if you are looking for ways you can send money internationally to Africa and you came across this video, please go and sign up with them. You will enjoy their best rates while being stress-free, because your money will be safe and will reach the recipient within few minutes. Or if you're just looking for another alternative way to send money and want to switch, why not use Nala, and you're not gonna regret it. Nala is for Africa, so let's join the community by signing up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I have helped someone. If you are looking for a reliable way to send money internationally to Africa, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again, and goodbye. And please always remember to be kind.